Today we'll talk about how can you enable official messages on your Mi Home app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on additional settings. You just click on it here. Then you come to next tip here. It's going to show for you like this. You click on notification settings here. So then you come to next tip here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on system notifications. So you come here to official messages here. Click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. It's mean official messages notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.